Everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. So we have a couple 811Hs here. I have more in boxes. So I'm going to go through it, fix it, do all the modifications and everything. Does not have the BIOS mod. So as you can see, the plate choke came unscrewed. Looks like it's in okay condition. That's why I put a longer screw in it, because it tends to do that, during shipping. So SO239s need to be changed. This one has a teeny bit of grip, but this one is in, out, in, out. That's the important one, the output. So I was waiting on gas discharge tubes. They came today, and the SO239s came the other day. I'm going to change the straps. Someone tried to repair them by adding a bunch of solder, so now they're like super stiff. So all four will get changed. And that's about it. So I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron al811h. So the straps had to be replaced. One was way shorter than the others, so someone's messed with it before, like hardcore. These are like in really bad shape. New SO239s installed. Covered his name. It's on top of the transformer. Did the BIOS modification. Has the newer resistors. They're good. See the new straps, nice and pretty. Wire was unraveling a bit, so I put some super glue on it. Now it's good. He had this configured wrong. He had the split washer on top underneath the head of the screw. It's supposed to go between this ring terminal thing and the board. I have another one here that's also like that. Actually, it has a split washer underneath, and it has an internal tooth crush washer on top. So I'll fix that when I get to it. It's right next to this one. Cleaned the rotor switches with the oxide gold, took this whole assembly out, put the gas discharge tubes in. I grounded the grids right to the metal. Has the wrong size fuses. I always check. This has they had 15 amp fuses. Put the proper 12 amp fuses in it. Sounds good. What else? So took out the MOVs, and I shortened the leads for the plate blockers. They were really long. I resoldered everything. Someone had changed the meter protection diode, and someone put some heat shrink or something on the shaft here. They must have got a tube really hot. Maybe it was at an angle or whatever, an old tube. So this got 572Bs, Penta Labs, and this thing is good to go. Work on the other one tomorrow, and I have more in boxes. So I work on a lot of these. I'm very, very thorough. People keep asking what the BIOS mod is. I'm sorry. It involves high voltage over here, so I cannot, it's too much of a liability. I can't talk about it. It's nothing about a secret or whatever. It's just, it's dangerous. And, back in the day, someone got shocked when I gave him info. Thank God he was okay. So I no longer give out dangerous info. So it's to help protect people. And then I had another guy contact me who tried working on one of these. He talked to someone, and they said, oh, try to change the relays. So he took the board out, changed the relays, and without diagnosing anything, and then he tried to change the switch. So I told him, look, I can't get involved. I would just change the whole board at that point. You can end up creating secondary or even more issues. And so if you try working on one of these yourself and you really do a lot of damage to it, please, I can't be the guy who saves the day. It'll just end up being too much work. So please just send it to me, and I'll go through it, and I won't leave any stone unturned, okay? So thanks for watching. Website is amprepairguy.com. Phone number is 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will be working on the 6-meter amp again Friday. So I will put more info on here about that. 73.